Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of y'all who are new here, I introduce myself as Maitri Desai. Today I am back with another video and this time it's a little different. It's called Myths That We Actually Thought Were True. So let's see what these myths were and how they break. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Enjoy the video! Here we go. The first one is bulls get angry when they see the color red. I guess this is a very popular fact that bulls get angry when they see the color red. But according to the American Science Guide, bulls like other cattle are red and green color blind. This is a totally ironic thing, guys. What actually triggers the bull's anger is the movement of the cape. So the cape's the problem and not the color. We know this now. The next is you have to wait 24 hours before submitting a missing person's report. ये क्राइम पेट्रोल में और CID में देखा है मैंने. And I am sure I'm not the only one who has seen Crime Patrol or CID or Southern India, because everyone out there has seen one of the three once, at least once in their life. So yeah, you will know this fact. But according to Child Find of America, there is no time period in which someone must wait before reporting a person's missing. See guys, there's no such time boundaries. You can report any missing person as soon as they go missing. I'm sorry if I don't make sense. The next one is Albert Einstein failed math class. मतलब कोई सेंस बनती है इस बात की? बन रही है? मतलब नहीं क्या, मतलब दिस इज सो आयरॉनिक. लाइक क्या? If only for the irony of it, it's fun to imagine that Albert Einstein was a poor student, so much so that he failed his grade school math class, but that's just not true. Obviously guys, Albert Einstein can't fail a math class. We can, Albert Einstein can't. The next we have humans only use 10% of their brains. I totally don't believe this, because some people use 0%. So yeah, this is just not possible, guys. Many people believe that humans use only 10% of their brains. However, that's nothing but a myth. Neurologist Barry Gordon told Scientific American. He says that humans use virtually every part of the brain and most of the brain is active almost all the time. So yeah guys, we use all of our brain in the full of its capacity. The next is the odds are always 50-50 in a coin toss. All those who have studied probability will know that the odds are always 50-50. But a group of Stanford University researchers proved this common misconception wrong in 2007 when they flipped a lot of quarters and found that a coin was more likely to land on the face that it had started on. ये चीटिंग हम सब ने बचपन में की है. I don't know if you guys remember, but I precisely remember using this trick, and so we knew it even before Stanford proved it. So yeah guys, take credit for that. The next, your hair and fingernails continue to grow after you die. It's true that a person's hair and nails may appear longer after their death, but it's only because the skin around a person's nails and hair retracts over time due to dehydration of the body, not because their hair and nails are actually growing. So now we know. I anyways hadn't heard of this fact, so it's okay. Sugar causes hyperactivity in children. Yeah, I've heard of this thing called sugar rush. Let's see. Parents may blame their children's rowdy behavior on an overabundance of sugar, but there's no actual evidence to support those claims. So all the parents out there, your kids are just naughty and it's not because of sugar, so stop blaming sugar, please. The next is, humans have only 5 senses. I have heard that humans have 6 senses, right? We always say sixth sense thing. Then what's this 5? Let's see how this breaks. While this concept of the 5 senses originated with Aristotle, many scientists argue that humans actually have between 14 and 20 senses. Lol. कहाँ 5, 6 and कहाँ 14 to 20 senses? I don't know which one to believe, but yeah, this was a myth that we only have 5 senses. The next, lightning never strikes twice. I hadn't heard of this, guys. NASA debunked this myth in 2003, reporting that lightning definitely strikes more than one place. In fact, it does so about a third of the time. Guys, I hadn't heard of this, but it's quite informative, right? Next we go. The Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure visible from space. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. Let's see how this breaks. But that's just not the case. NASA images prove you can see highways, airports, bridges, dams and components of the Kennedy Space Center. And if you go further into space, the walls can only be recognized in radar images, not with the human eye or even with a photograph. Jokes! The next one is, you will get cramps if you go swimming right after you eat. Firstly, I haven't heard of this fact. Secondly, I don't know swimming. Let's see now. Though it is a commonly held belief that your muscles will cramp should you swim right after eating, this just isn't true. So yeah, guys, y'all can go to swimming right after you eat. There's absolutely no problem. The next is, every living thing dies. हाँ, we have heard ना, जो आता है उसको एक न एक दिन जाना ही पड़ता है. Why am I being so senseless today? I just don't get it. So let's see. While yes, most living things do die eventually, there is one species of jellyfish that doesn't technically perish. This essentially immortal sea creature reverts back into a juvenile state after adulthood. वाह, क्या बात है. मतलब अगले जन्म मोहे ये जेलीफिश बनाइए बस. Sorry guys. Dogs only see in black and white. I believe this fact because I have a dog. I don't know about you guys out there. No, your pup isn't seeing the world in black and white. In fact, they can actually distinguish between colors. I'm so relieved to hear this. This video has turned out to be very informative. The next is, you need to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Guys, I am very bad at drinking water. So my parents literally have to force me to drink 8 glasses of water every day. And tell me in the comments if you are also as bad as me in drinking water, and if your parents also have to force you to drink water. And with this video, I am going to break that myth. According to the Mayo Clinic, the amount of water you need daily depends on several different factors like your overall health, your activity levels, and where you live. No single number applies to humans across the board. See, mom, dad, if you're watching this, I don't need to drink 8 glasses of water every day. My body is satisfied with whatever I drink. The next one is goldfish only have a 3-second memory. Really? That's too less. Goldfish have a reputation of having bad memories, but it turns out that this false fact has been debunked by several studies throughout the years, and some researchers even indicates goldfish could have a memory span of up to 5 months long. Kahan 3 seconds and kahan 5 months? The next one is cracking your knuckles too much will cause arthritis. Really? Cracking knuckles causes arthritis? Cracking your knuckles doesn't increase your risk of developing the painful joint condition. The cracking noise actually comes from collapsing gas bubbles. I don't know why this all is funny for me, but for some reason it is, and it is even informative also. This video is quite informative, guys. The next we go. It takes 7 years for your body to digest gum. I don't believe this. According to the Mayo Clinic, your body actually can't digest gum at all. Even in 7 years, you see gum doesn't stay in your stomach. Obviously, it will come out as shit next day, dude. I'm sorry for cracking this lame shit ass jokes, only I laugh on. So, yeah. The sun is yellow. ये सब ये ड्राइंग्स में सिखाते हैं सन को येलो कलर करो. So by that way we know that sun is of yellow color. Let's see how this breaks. According to the Stanford Solar Center, it is a common misconception that the sun is yellow. In reality, the sun is essentially all colors mixed together, which appear to our eyes as white. नहीं मतलब क्या है, अब white बोल रहे. अब डिसाइड कर लो तुम पहले है आराम से बैठ के, तो पता चले ड्राइंग में कलर क्या करना है. I'm just very lame. The last we have, in the days of Christopher Columbus, everyone thought the world was flat because it was written in the history book. What can we do? It was written in the history book that everyone thought world was flat. So Christopher Columbus went out for discovery. But no long thereafter, in the middle of the 3rd century BC, Aristotle declared with certainty that the earth was in fact spherical. See, Aristotle discovered it. So Christopher Columbus कोई और डिस्कवरी पे निकला था. He wasn't in the discovery of if the world is flat or not. So yeah guys, that's it from my side. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I come up with something even more exciting. Till then, stay positive. Bye Phoenixes.